Hello everyone, I'm Leiah, your Norwex Independent Consultant, here to demonstrate for you the cleaning power of Norwex microfiber and water alone. Here I have a damp clean EnviroCloth, and I am going to use this in the raw chicken demo. Ooh. I have a piece of raw chicken, a clean countertop, and some protein swabs used by the health department and hospitals also to test for the presence of protein on a surface. And why? Because protein is a breeding ground for bacteria. You don't want protein on a surface. That's bad. So I'm going to demonstrate. Look at this. Here's what we're going to do. First of all, I want to show you that this protein swab, see how it works? Okay, you'll notice I'm going to spread it on my counter. If it turns green, this swab, which it's doing now, if it turns green, you'll know that the surface is clean. You shake it up. If it turns purple, then we know that the surface is has the presence of protein. Okay, see, and it's sort of a light green. Right. So as you can see, my surface was clean. So here I go. Just to make sure, so you know that this is a working swab, I'm going to take this same swab and I'm going to touch this yucky chicken. Shake it up and it's going to see what happens. Okay, it was green, and look, this very same swab is now turning purple, and that's because, of course, we know there's protein on that raw chicken. Okay, now I have another swab. Okay, here's the part where I'm going to take this yucky raw chicken and I'm going to spread it on my formerly clean counter. Can you see, I get a good look at this yucky juice on the counter. See that? That's the raw chicken juice. Now, I got another fresh swab. Okay, I'm going to break it. Here I go. I'm going to take it, and let's see if there's any protein that shows up. All right. If there's protein, which the raw chicken juice, this swab will turn purple. And it looks like that's happening. There it goes. Okay, purple, which means we know presence of protein, the breeding ground of yucky bacteria. Okay, now, I'm going to set this one over here too. All right, next to our other purple one. Now, that microfiber, Norwex microfiber and water, take a good look. You can see the smeared chicken. You've got my Enviro. I'm going to take it and I use it flat because that way I'll pick up everything. Norwex microfiber and water, as you know, has the ability to remove 99% of bacteria, debris, dirt, everything. It mechanically removes everything from the surface. It's the microfiber that does this. There's backlock in the cloth, which of course then helps the cloth begin to self-sanitize, purifies the cloth so that to prevent the growth of mold, mildew, bacteria from growing inside our cloth. All right, so I just cleaned it with Norwex microfiber. Now, another fresh swab. Here I go. Let's see, did I get all the bacteria? It's still damp too, so let's see. If I got everything, this swab will turn green. If there was still protein on there, the swab will turn purple. Okay. Make sure I broke it there. All right, it's green. What does that mean? Norwex microfiber got every single bit of that yucky protein chicken juice off of my counter. Look at this. Now, watch this. This is the side because the tag's up. Okay, let's do this. I'm rubbing my swab right where this is where I wipe the raw chicken. Now, let's see what happens. Look at that. It's still green. Can you see that? Do you know what that means? That chicken juice did not come off onto this swab. There was no cross-contamination. Now again, just so you know, this is a working swab. Let's try another one. I'm going to put it here on this chicken. Of course, if this swab works, then since we know that has protein, this will turn purple. Look at that. The power of Norwex microfiber and water. Amazing.